carbon fiber on my Jaguar XF. So before I show you what it is, let me first show you guys all the carbon fiber I have on the car. We're gonna start off with the mirrors. It is full carbon fiber. Here we have the carbon fiber hood vents from Vehicle Revolution. Really nice carbon fiber hood vents. If we move to the rear of the car, we got a carbon fiber rear spoiler, and then a carbon fiber rear diffuser. So that's pretty much it. We got the hood vents, we got the mirror caps, and then the spoiler and the rear diffuser. These right here, these are wrapped in carbon fiber. So I know on camera they might look real carbon fiber, but these are actually wrapped, and they look really nice actually. They almost look like real carbon fiber from far away. Sorry about the car being dirty. I'm gonna wash it once we install the front lip so you guys can see how it looks like once it's all nice and clean. But let me show you what we got down here. All right guys, so here we got a front bumper lip from Vehicle Revolution. They actually sent this out to me. And the nice thing about this, there's actually a 2-piece and a 3-piece front bumper lip. So this right here, this one's for the driver's side, and this is for the passenger side. And this is the center piece right here. So first we're gonna install these two and see how it looks. And then we're gonna install this third piece and see how the 3-piece looks like. Thank you again to Vehicle Revolution for sending these out to me. As you can see, they look really nice. Check out that carbon fiber. Just so you have an idea of how it's gonna look, I'm gonna go underneath the car and I'm gonna place these underneath. And then show you guys how it looks like with the 2-piece. It's actually been raining a whole lot here, so hopefully we get this installed and then go to the wash, get the car washed, and then we can take some photos after. For this centerpiece, I think I have to drill a couple holes, but I don't know yet. We'll see once we get there. So first I'm gonna install that one, and then this passenger side, and then I'll show you guys how it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to be using the same screws that I had before. So hopefully everything fits nicely. Yeah, it's right there. Everything looks good. Right there. Alright guys, so first part of the lip is installed. This is the driver's side. So you can see everything fits perfectly. Everything's really nice. All right, so I got the first one installed. It was really easy. Took me about 3 minutes, and it actually looks really nice. Alright guys, so we just got done installing the 2-piece front lip, and check that out. It looks really nice. I kind of want to take the car out and take some videos and photos for you guys to see with the 2-piece installed, but it's about to rain right now and I want to get this finished. So after I'm done with the 3-piece, then if we got enough time, then we can get some videos. Looks really nice. I like it like this a lot. I don't know why, but I'm curious to see what the 3-piece lip looks like. So I'm gonna install that right now and see how it looks like. But for now, I like this look a lot. It looks really aggressive, looks wide, as you can see. I'm really happy how it is right now, so hopefully I like the 3-piece better than the 2-piece. So yeah, let's get that installed and we'll see what happens. So installing the 2-piece, it only took me about 5 minutes, and that's nothing. This lip is specially made for this car, so you're not gonna have any issues with the install, and it was quick, easy. So this is a 3-piece, and just like I figure, I think I'm gonna have to drill a couple holes. So I'm gonna drill tiny little holes, one on this side, one on this side, and one on the center. That should... Alright guys, so we just got done installing the front bumper lip, and let me show you guys underneath. We have the one screw right there, have another screw in the center, and then I have the third screw on the other side. And as you can see, it's in there, it's not going anywhere. When I installed the center screw, this grill popped out, and I think that was actually my fault, because I pulled on it really hard. It was only held by glue, so whenever I take the bumper off again, I'm probably gonna have zip ties holding this piece right here, or the grill against this, a lot stronger, so that one doesn't come out. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. It doesn't, honestly, but you can't really tell from far away. But yeah, it's in there. I'm gonna back the car out of the garage so you guys can see how it looks like. I better start saving up for some coilovers or some springs, because this thing is gonna scrape and I don't want to damage the front lip. And yeah, I still got to lower the back, and then I got to raise the front a little bit. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go to the wash and wash the car, and then I'll take some photos and videos so you guys could see a little bit better. But honestly, I think I like the 3-piece a lot better. I don't know why. As you can see, it looks really nice. Let me know what you guys like better, the 2-piece or the 3-piece. And again, huge thanks to Carl from Vehicle Revolutions for sending me all these parts. And see you guys in the next video.